Have you ever cried in secret, wondering if anyone hears you? Have your du'as felt like whispers lost in the wind? You scroll through life, carrying a heart full of prayers. But the Quran holds a reply, direct from Allah, to you. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah says,
What?
When my servants ask you, O Prophet, about me, I am truly near. I respond to one's prayer when they call upon me. So let them respond with obedience to me and believe in me, perhaps they will be guided to the right way. He didn't say, a righteous caller. Or, a perfect Muslim. He said, the caller. That means you, in your brokenness, in your doubts, even when you haven't prayed in weeks. The moment your heart whispers, Ya Allah. He hears you. He's not far. He's not ignoring you. He's closer than you think, and he responds. But Allah doesn't just want us to call him when we're in pain. He wants a relationship. He says. So let them respond to me. That means, start the prayer. Answer his call. Trust him. Even if the answer takes time. Sometimes, the waiting is the mercy. Because in the waiting, you're talking to him more. And that's exactly where healing begins. Comment, Ya Allah, I know you hear me. Save this for the day you feel unheard. Follow for more reminders that connect you to the Quran.